Hello class 4, welcome to online classes of HPS. In the last two videos, we had seen chapter number 8, our solar system. Now we are going to do the exercise of this chapter. Okay, come to page number 74. Time to answer the match the following. See, Mercury, it is the smallest planet. Okay, Venus, it is the evening star or morning star also it is called as. Mars, it is the red planet. Then is the Earth, which is blue planet because 71% is water. Jupiter, it is the largest planet, and Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Then time to answer true or false on page number 76. The outermost hard layer of the Earth is called the crust. Yes, answer is true. Second, the revolution of the Earth causes day and night. False. The rotation causes day and night. The rotation of the Earth causes seasons. False. Revolution causes seasons. The sun rises from the east and sets in the west. Yes, answer is true. Now page number 77, multiple choice questions. The smallest planet is the Mercury. B option. Next one, the number of planets in our solar system is 8. Change in seasons is caused due to revolution of the sun. C option you have to tick mark. The earth completes one revolution in 365 days. Next, fill in the blanks. The rotation of the earth causes days and nights. ROTATION, rotation. Next, Jupiter, JUPITER. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Next, in summer the days are long and in winter the days are short. Next, the movement of the earth around the sun is called as revolution. Next one, the path of a planet around the sun is called its orbit. ORBIT, orbit. You have to take the correct and cross out the wrong. Next question. All planets revolve around the earth? Yes, correct. Seasons are caused due to rotation of the earth? Wrong. Days and nights are equal at the equator? Yes, correct. The outer surface of the earth is called as equator? Wrong, it is called as crust. Now name the following. Which is the biggest planet? It is the Jupiter. JUPITER. Planet closest to the earth? It is Venus. VENUS. Planet nearest to the sun? Earth. Planet farthest from the sun? Neptune. And planet which is known as the red planet, answer is Mars. Now, short answer type questions. First one, what is a planet? Name any 4 planets of the solar system. Answer, some slow moving bright bodies in the sky are called planets. Mercury, 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 Venus, 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 Earth, Mars, Jupiter are some of the planets of the solar system. Okay? Next, what causes day and night? Answer is the rotation of Earth around its own axis causes day and night. Next, name the planets of our solar system that have more than 60 moons. These 2 planets, Saturn and Jupiter, have more than 60 moons. SATUR and Saturn. Next, what is a solar year? Answer is our Earth completes one revolution in 365 days, which is a solar year. Okay? Next, long answer type questions. First one, distinguish. You have to make the columns like this, form the table. First point you have to write in stars. They are big and bright. Second point in the stars you have to write, they produce their own heat and light. And in the planets column you should write, they are slow moving. Second point is, they do not produce their own heat and light. Okay? Next, second one. Life exists only on the earth and not on other planets. Explain. Almost 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. Earth is covered with a layer of air called as atmosphere. 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 Full stop. Movement of Earth causes day and night. Causes day and night. And also different seasons. Full stop. Therefore, life exists only on the Earth and not on other planets. Okay? Next, describe the structure of Earth's crust. You have to write the answer in points, children. First point is the Earth's outermost hard layer, outermost, outermost hard layer is called crust, crust, crust. Second point, some millions of years ago, it became cold and hard. Third point, some of the hot gases escaped while some were trapped inside. TRAPPED, trapped inside. Next, so the outer surface became hard. Okay. The next question, what causes changes in the season? Answer is again in points. First point, the revolution of the earth causes seasons. Second point, the equator, EQUATOR, equator divides the earth in two equal halves as northern, NORTHERN, northern hemisphere, 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 and southern hemisphere, SOUTHERN, southern hemisphere. The part which gets direct sun rays experiences summer. Next point, the part which gets slanting sun rays experiences winter season. Okay. Next question, the last one. Why is the season in the northern hemisphere always different from that in the southern hemisphere? Answer. When the northern hemisphere is tilted, TILTED, tilted towards the sun, it has summer. Second point, at that time, the southern hemisphere tilted away from the sun has winter. Last point, this is how the seasons in the northern hemisphere are always different from that in the southern hemisphere. Okay children, this was all for now. We will do the next work, next new chapter in the next video. Thank you and have